The first question, why did you choose GEOS for your ED visa?
I chose GEOS because of the excellent reviews online, the flexible time schedule, and the affordability.
How was the visa process?
Oh, the visa process was perfect. The staff here has been wonderful. As you know, this visa process can be quite confusing, but they helped me along the way, step by step.
How are the classes?
The classes are fun. I've met people from around the world, and we just have a good time. The actual lessons are paced very slowly, where I can learn at a comfortable rate.
Would you recommend GEOS?
Absolutely. If you're looking for a place to learn Thai, to obtain your ED visa in a streamlined fashion and meet people from around the world, I would highly recommend GEOS.
What's the best thing about GEOS?
I think the best thing about GEOS is here I feel like I'm part of a family. Like I said, the staff has been wonderful. They've been very helpful, and I've met amazing people from around the world.
Thank you.
Thank you.